Yes, welcome again for this another video. The same unity related to differential equation. As you see now, again we are asked to find the differential equation again with this function. Do you see this trigonometric function with y which is equal to a cosine x plus b sine x. Again, what is needed is to differentiate. Let us try. For first derivative, we have y, which is, remember if I write y prime means dy dx will be equal to the derivative of, remember this is constant, the derivative of cosine is minus sine, minus a sine x plus, this is a constant again, derivative of sine is a cosine, so b cosine x. Okay. What is needed again is to differentiate again. The second derivative here will be this will be equal to minus a cosine x minus b sine x. Let us factorize negative. This second derivative will be equal to minus a cosine x plus b sine x. Okay. Do you see this function? To this function you have already given are the same. That's why y is equal to a cosine x plus b sine x. This one. So this is our y. So second derivative is equal to negative y. So this shows us that we have second derivative plus y, which is equal to 0. So this is our differential equation we have been asked to find. So thank you. See you soon.